Okay, we found this bird last night in our garage, and since it's dark already, I kept him inside. But now it's morning na, birdie. Come out na. You can fly na. Come, birdie. Sorry, we don't have bird cage. So, dito muna kita nilagay. But now, you can go. Fly na, bird. Fly na. Come out. Go, fly. Ay, pumasok uli. Pumasok uli. Ayun, okay. Yun. Okay, bye-bye. Take care, be safe.